Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Gemini Live with screen share in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to use Google Gemini Live with screen share, so let's see how can I do this. For this, you just have to press and hold your power button to active or enter Gemini Live and then select the screen share option. So let's see how. Just press and hold the power button and it will open Gemini. Just select share live and here just select start on the entire screen. Just tap on start and you can see Google Gemini Live has been started. Now you just have to open the screen or the thing which you want to search. As I'm going to open an image from here, just open gallery and here just select an image as I'm going to open this one, and here you just have to ask to Gemini Live what you want. As I'm going to ask what is this image, so here Google Gemini Live is telling to me whenever you want to cut it out you just have to type on it and then tap on this cut option to end the call. So that's how you can easily use Google Gemini Live with screen share in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.